This is a 9mm MDF that I've just laid on top, scribed. I scribe one piece to the wall, scribe another, glue it together, scribe that, glue it there, glue that, because this thing is a real weird, firstly that's a really weird angle, that's curved, this is curved, that's curved, there's some really weird shapes going on. And then I put a bracing piece across, and then I will take that template off and lay it on one of these birch plies. Actually it's maple veneer ply. Pretty good. So I've cut all these front pieces out of the birch, maple, whatever, that's gonna hide round. So I'm going to attach those first, gluing them all together. And then when I lay the top on, I can use that to router it to a nice clean line all the way around. That's my plan. Instead of cutting the top first and then trying to attach all these little bits to the top. I think this will be easier. We shall see. So, top's glue, top is on. Facing bit is glued to there with a lip. Lip's a bit big actually. So I've glued, just the glue is setting. The what's it called, the template for the edging isn't too bad really. Could be worse. It's gonna look pretty good.
Edging glued on now. Just need to root off the edges. Sand it up.
How this is attached. Good. So there's one piece on the wall there, screwed into the wood. That's a solid wall. Then I've got some cross pieces across. I'll take a photo. See the angle's a bit weird.